Welcome to day 3 of turning $100 into $1 million. So let's get to it. All right, we'll start with this because this method has a very specific step-by-step strategy to get from $100 to $1 million. It starts out with the economic calendar. So for today, the big deal report on the economic calendar was CPI, Consumer Price Index. And that is when we know that's coming, we pause and do not trade until after that because it always creates market roil that we don't want to get caught up in. Next up, we look specifically at what the ChatGPT tell us. It did the Bob portfolio for Bob the Trader, GPT.com, and says for 10th of April, post CPI means after CPI. Here's our portfolio, US 500, and it says avoid it. US 100, avoid. Gold, avoid. Euro US dollar, weak. US dollar Japanese, weak. Avoid all of those 5. Euro yen, strong uptrend, and it was a recommended buy after the turmoil coming from this economic report. And also ChatGPT turned us to these reports for the euro yen, talking about euro yen extending the gain on the Ukrainian peace hopes, and that it was near year-to-date highs. So a little caution there when you're hitting the highs. So now the reports. There's our portfolio on this date, the 10th of April 2026. So you can see on those charts, we align the charts with the ChatGPT Bob portfolio. And so when you look at these, let's look at them one by one and see why I did it. So you look at this one, and indeed that one is a bit messy. That is the stock market, and it actually did a downtrend, a little messy, not tradable. NASDAQ 100, again, similar thing, little messy, a lot of congestion, did move down based on the CPI. Gold, again, little messy, trade range did move down. And we do this every day, go through our portfolio like fund managers. This is a euro US dollar trade range, not tradable. US dollar Japanese yen, a little bit better, but it went down hard and then bounced back. Here is what we like, and that's what ChatGPT recommended. So right in there was about the time of the report, and it went up quite nicely. So that's the way we do business. That's the way we do our trading. And that's how we get from $100 to $1 million. And so as a trader, I'm happy. I had $100. Now I have a $10,000 account, and I'm trading. So $10,000 trading account. Correction on that. We actually had a couple of small trades in here. So we have $10,002.13, albeit a small amount. It shows, the conservative nature of going from 100 to $1 million. And I'm pleased that I had $100. Now I have a $10,000 account, trading account, that's risen to $10,002.13. that's how we go safely, securely, and using the Bob portfolio from ChatGPT. And if you'd like to know more, come and visit us at our website at bobthetradergpt.com. It'll show you, and if you join us, it'll show you step by step how to get from $100, $100 to $1 million safely. So we run big assistance, big workshops every day, and you could join us. Okay, signing out from taking $100 to $1 billion day trading at bobthetradergpt.com. Thanks and good trading.